Have you tried to wipe data on your OPPO phone, only to see a password verification screen? You're not alone. Many OPPO users enter recovery mode, select wipe data, and then discover they need a password before the reset can continue. In this video, I'll explain why this happens and how you can fix it. Method 1. Enter the correct password. If you remember your screen lock password, simply enter it. Once verified, the phone will continue the reset process. This is the easiest solution. Method 2. Reset through recovery mode. Check if your device is linked to a Google account, and try recovering your credentials first if there is. After checking there is no Google account linked or regaining access, return to recovery mode and attempt the reset again. Method 3. Use Android unlock software. What if you've forgotten the password completely? In that situation, many users choose Android unlocking software. One option is MagFone Android Unlocker. Simply install the software on your computer and connect your OPPO device. Select Remove Screen Lock and follow the on-screen instructions. The software will guide you through the unlocking process and help remove the screen lock from supported OPPO devices. If your device is protected by FRP after a factory reset, the software also provides solutions for supported Android models. Before removing any screen lock, make sure the device belongs to you. Also remember that some unlocking methods may erase data stored on the device. If your OPPO phone asks for a password when performing a wipe data operation, don't panic. First, try the correct screen lock password. If you've forgotten it, account recovery or Android unlocking tools may help depending on your device model. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.